All right, we're here. We're here on the Nordic Light. We're bevved up.
Bevved up.
We're heading to Catalina. Let's do this. Hit it, Papa Small. What up? We're here in Catalina. We made it. Island time. Yo, how's that banh mi?
It's so good. You want a bite?
Yeah, I want a bite.
Don't tell me how much I love to milk my buffalo.
Last person to get to the boat. Belly flops off the boat. Let's go. Hurry it up. Bava decided to swim to the wrong boat. Dylan wins. Bava, time for a belly flop.
Okay, good.
Go to the cave. Welcome to the cave. We're cave dwelling this week. Yeah, Daddy! Yeah! Well, that was good for adrenaline right there.
Yeah.
Check off on the adrenaline. Look at food. I was shaking. Let's see our hands. Let's see our hands.
No, it's because I haven't had vodka.
We gotta get this guy some green apple Smirnoff Ice stats. Nordic Light, good day out on the water so far. We're coming out here for some grilling. Tonight's a B Small guest grill, and we got shrimp scampi going down. Let's go.
Do this thing.
Papa Small on the fucking grill.
Think about the color?
That's some beautiful color on those shrimp. And I think he might have used Small's barbecue seasoning? I don't know.
I did.
Popsicle and he dropped it on the ground.
Yeah,
but the camera was like a little shrimp right there, maybe grab right there. And maybe I ate that. Only the best of meals gets the china.
Beautifully hot.
There it is.
Good.
Is it gonna work?
They
Telling
happened.
you.
I missed it. The first play. I was seeing the stars.
Oh,
Oh,
You guys are missing out, actually.
Super hard. You're in
We're Gryffindor.
cheers.
No, you're high.
Getting ready to pack her up to head back across the channel. Epic weekend. Little wind kicking up, but we're gonna power through. We'll see you on the other side. This is it, baby. We're out here in the open ocean. It's ripping, we're surfing. I am the captain now. 3 clicks north, skipper. Ahoy there! Just got back from Catalina. Time to put some chili cheese dogs on the grill. Huge hack for chili, for your chili cheese dogs. Make sure you got no beans in there. Beans in a chili for the chili cheese dog. It's just too much, you know? The flavors are all off. like to go dog down. Cheese under the chili. This is our staple for a Catalina trip every time. We always cook chili cheese dogs. And what we like to do around here is a little flamin' hot Cheeto topping. A chili cheese dog, you just can't go wrong. You got the chili, the melty cheese, the hot dog, grilled to perfection, topped off with a little flamin' hot Cheeto for a little crunch. Passed down from the master himself. This shit is good. My body feels like a pole. Closing day, Bear Mountain. It's gonna be a lot of beers, a lot of bros, and a lot of pork. Let's get it. Yeah. All right, we're out here on the stair set at Bear. We're gonna be doing some tricks for free shit. We got Grilled Shrimp hot dogs. We got CBD, we got stickers, 32 and iconic. We'll see what happens though. Let's go. Right there, man. Bam. Pile up on aisle 12.
Ooh, what up?
Oh wait,
How's that hot dog?
fucking fire.
Like, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.
The Grilled Smalls